Introducing the e-GROUNDBOX, your compact and portable solar energy in kit solution. Delivered on a trailer or in a container, the e-GROUNDBOX is relocatable at any time. Designed for quick and easy installation, e-GROUNDBOX provides instant power for remote areas, businesses, campsites, hotels, exceptional sites, and emergency situations. The energy produced can also be used to pump water, produce drinking water, irrigate fields, and generate cooling. Indefinitely expendable, the 8 kilowatt peak individual units are assembled, mounted, and interconnected one after the other to form parallel rows. Learn more about how e-GROUNDBOX can work for you. Visit www.Sunstream-International.com or connect with us on LinkedIn. Powering possibilities together.